friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a recipe page for my planner for Pink Zebra. Some of you know I'm a Pink Zebra lady. It's kind of my side hustle. Really enjoy it. So one of the cool things you can do with Pink Zebra home fragrance, I guess I should say that. Pink Zebra is a home fragrance company. I'll give you, and one of the things we use is soy wax sprinkles. And the best part about sprinkles, I'll do a quick little, ooh, look at all the pretties. So one of the things you can do with soy wax sprinkles from Pink Zebra is mix them to make your own fragrance. So today I wanted to put something in the Pink Zebra section of my planner as I start getting ideas for different recipes. That way I can suggest them to customers and stuff like that. So I'm actually going to use my freebie from Coffee Planner Mom. If you did not know, I feel like you should by now, maybe, but if you're new, probably not. This is the freebie you get if you use my code Holly15 for 15% off your order at coffeeplannermom.com. Hold it there for a moment. It'll be linked in the description below too. But when she asked about what freebie, what we wanted on our freebie, I wanted the sassy quote of "Life is too short to burn unscented candles," because I'm a Pink Zebra lady. And, that's kind of my thing. Change your fragrance, change your life, right? So I'm going to cover up the candy canes. I think I'm going to need some boxes as well. So I do still have some. Let's use the green. I like that one. So I'm just using a piece of Happy Notes paper. Well, this came from one of the Christmas extension packs from Happy Planner, and I never use it. I never use it at Christmas time, so I figured go ahead and use it here. And we'll just cover up the candy canes because the rest of it is just black and polka dots, right? Oh goodness. Come on, sticker, let go. Maybe this one? Do you want to go? Oh no. And now I've got a sticker stuck to my finger. Hang on. There we go. Cover that up there. I'll just do a little "Life is too short to burn unscented candles" right there. And I'll have another, I should go ahead and cover him up. I'll use the same color box. I love the jewel tones. I think they're so pretty. Which is why I picked that colorway for my freebie, because I just really like the jewel tone color, that kind of richness. And then up here, actually I'll just cover up this one today. Do I want to use a square, or do I want to use, I have the rectangles as well. I did realize after I put this all together and did the things that I have it technically upside down, because there's the embossed Simply Gilder. But in my head, I was like, pocket on this side. Pocket on this side makes sense to me. It's tiny. It's not the end of the world, right? It really isn't. It's the end of the world, isn't it? No, I'm joking. All right, let's use this guy. I think we'll use the purple. Cover up notes. And we're going to write sprinkle recipes. And I think I'm going to use these boxes too to kind of label. There's certain ones that I already know. I have a brain dump page in my planner for when I have an idea of a fragrance. So my VIP group and I came up with this one, and we're calling it Stay Classy. And it's, I want to make sure I get this right. It's new car leather. Mahogany wood. And Cherrylicious. All mixed together, and we called it Stay Classy because we kept talking about how Ron Burgundy came up in Anchorman, and so Stay Classy. Stay Classy, San Francisco. Another one that we thought about, I'll kind of put it maybe here. And this one was, oh, I gotta go. So they also, as I was smelling things live for them during our bingo night, Island Breeze and Laundry Fresh, we decided should be called Vacation. Yes. Very loud train today. And then I have one that I've been really enjoying. And it's, let's see, can I fit another one? Maybe not. That's okay. We'll figure it out. I don't actually have a name for it yet, but it's Honeysuckle and Laundry Fresh. I don't have a name for it. If you have an idea for a name for this one, put in the comments below. Honeysuckle and Laundry Fresh. Those sound amazing. Now, Pink Zebra comes up with their own recipes too, but that's the cool thing about being a consultant is a lot of times we mix up stuff and we go, ooh, this smells good, or ooh, this smells good. So I'll keep adding to this page, but it's going to go in my planner. And if you like this video, or if you're like going, I need to know more about Pink Zebra, there's a link to my business page on Facebook, which then you can get to my VIP group from there and all that. So go ahead and click on that in the description below. If you are just here for the stickers, and that's totally fine, coffeeplannermom.com. My code for 15% off is Holly15. I'll pop that up somewhere here. I'll get better at this, I promise. And, you know, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one.